A very good evening, everyone, and welcome to New Delhi World Book Fair 2026. So, today's session is for dreamers, doers, and builders. For those who have ideas scribbled in notebooks, business plans saved in folders, or a quiet ambition to build something of their own. Startups are no longer just about funding rounds or fancy valuations. They're about visions, resilience, and the courage to keep going when nothing seems certain. The book that we are going to discuss today speaks directly to that journey, from the first spark of an idea to building something that truly scale and sustain. So before we talk more about the book, let me introduce you to the person behind it, Mr. Arnab Jyoti Das, our author. So he's the founder of CEO of Equestar Innovator Digital Service Private Limited, a growing digital solution company built on innovation and modern business thinking. Originally from Assam, Mr. Arnab Jyoti brings together a strong academic foundation with degrees in BSc, BCom, and MSc. He's also a former CA aspirant, a journey that reflects discipline, adaptability, and a deep understanding of business fundamentals. What makes Arnab Jyoti's story relatable is not just success, but persistence. His transition from academics to commerce into entrepreneurship mirrors the path many young founders take, learning, experimenting, failing, and growing along the way. Through his work and now through his book, he aims to guide aspiring entrepreneurs with clarity, honesty, and real world insights. So please join me in welcoming our author, Mr. Arnab Jyoti Das. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So welcome, sir, and congratulations on your book.
Thank you.
So how does it feel to be here?
It's feel amazing. I started writing the book to not only just to give lessons to my readers, but also implement that. Implementing is main thing. I've told everything in details in this book. So it's a very nice book for one those ones who wants to implement everything. They need to learn through their journey and they need to implement everything.
Absolutely, sir. So congratulations once
Thank you.
again, and let's unveil the book.
Yeah.
Please do the honors. You have to uncover. Uncover. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We'll take pictures. So, sir, shall we have a Q&A session to know more about the book?
Yeah, sure.
All right, sir. Please be seated. So, sir, what made you feel that aspiring founders needed this book right now?
Yes, they needed this book because at the time I started with fundraising services to clients, and then they took my services as a fundraising means funding. They want funding. Entrepreneurs, real entrepreneurs don't chase for funds. They first do implement everything. They do from zero, and they fail and pass, and then they will get success. Before means failure, they will not get success. So, in this book, I have told my personal experience where, from where I started from minus. I was in minus, and then I started from that stage, and then I reached a good stage now.
Yeah, all right. And congratulations for that as well, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
So, why do so many startups fail even with good ideas?
Idea is not important. Idea is called vision.
Right.
Idea can be told as a vision, Vision, with that vision, you need to have mission also. Mission is called execution. So with that vision, not only vision, vision is important, right? But with that vision, you need mission also. Without mission, you will not get success because mission is execution. So both are important.
Both are important. Yes. Well said, sir.